Graeme Crallan. 5 June 1958 to 27 July 2008. Was a British heavy metal drummer from Hartlepool, England, also known as Crash Crallan. He formed White Spirit along with Janet Gers in 1975. They released their debut album in 1980. The album flopped and they split up in 1981. Crallan then joined up with Tank in 1984, and played on their Honor and Blood album. He quit the following year. Crallan attended the wedding of fellow White Spirit member Malcolm Pearson, keyboard, after the split of the band, undertaking the role of Pearson's best man. He relocated to London and played in a few other bands. In July 2008, Crallan died at the Royal Free Hospital in Hampstead after sustaining head injuries after a fall in the streets of London. Discography: White Spirit. Backs to the Grind, 1980. Single. White Spirit, 1980. Midnight Chaser, 1981. Single. High Upon High, 1981. Single. Tank. Honor and Blood, 1984. Live in Rare, 2007. References. External links. NWOBHM. Info. White Spirit page. The official Tank website.